Okay, let's take a look at problem 2, find the recursive and explicit formulas. It says find the recursive and explicit formulas for the sequence 7, 21, 63, and 189. The starting value, a sub 1, is 7. And we found the common ratio like I showed you for problem 1 by taking my second term and dividing by my first term. And you should get 3. And so the formula they gave to us on the very first page, which is a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times r. Oops. And all we have to do is plug in our a sub 1 because we have to let everyone know what our first term is. And we have to plug in our r value. Now I wrote this because I know a lot of students sometimes have a hard time understanding the sub values. So n represents, for a sequence, it's always going to be counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and dot, 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 so on and so forth. And so for my a sub n values, a sub 1 would be 7, a sub 2 would be 21, a sub 3 would be 63, and a sub 4 would be 189. And recursive means that I have to know the term 4 in order to find the next term. So in order to find the next term for my recursive, I need to know my number before, which is my n minus 1 term. So if I wanted to find my third term, I need my a sub 2 term. If I want to find my second term, I need my first term, and so on and so forth. So the formula is a sub 1 equals 7, and a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times 3. Now for the explicit formula, again, it's on page 1. They give us that it's a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. So again, all I need to do is plug in my first term and my r value. So let's do it on our own. And I have 2, 4, 8, and 16. So I can easily see, well, we can work it out. 2, 4, 8, 16, dot, dot, dot. So 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So my r is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. R is 2. For recursive, I need my first term. So my a sub 1 equals 2. And then I'm going to use just the formula that they've given me. So that's a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times my r term. A sub n equals a sub n minus 1. Remember, that's where recursive formula does. It has the number before it, times my r term, which is 2. My explicit, I need a sub n equals, and again, we'll look at it, a sub n times a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. So my first term is 2 times a sub, sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. I want my my r term, which is 2 again, and I have n minus 1. And as you can see, it's the same thing. So I hope that this helps.